What am I trying to say? Oh my god, I don't feel comfortable in this situation. I don't feel comfortable. I mean, obviously you can tell by the thumbnail, by the title, I'm gonna review a very exciting collab. Like, I'm very excited for it. And that is literally the collab with Ofra and Steph Toms. I am is it too much to say that I really love Steph Toms? Like, I think her content is so like chill down, is such like on my vibes. I personally feel like, I don't know, it's just Steph is like on kind of like my vibes truly, to a point where I feel it's a bit like weird, as much as I do see myself within her. And she really did inspire me to be more myself on YouTube and be like as weird as I am in real life, really. And yeah, I mean, I really love her. I was very disappointed when I've seen Beauty Bay launched the Ofra highlighter in collaboration with her earlier than the actual official website, which I really do think it was a bad move from Beauty Bay's side. Like, could you just, you know, announce her? Because as much as I love her, I really wanted to put my hands on it quicker, and I was not expecting that if I order it from the Ofra website, it's just gonna take me maximum a week to arrive, which seriously, how the hell did they did that? So I ordered this exactly in the day on Monday, and it arrived today, which is Saturday. No, that's insane. So obviously, a side note, if you want to order from the actual official website of Ofra, it did arrive fairly quickly. I'm living in the UK as well, so I was very shocked. So therefore, I'm not that mad about Beauty Bay anymore, because I know now if I want to get stuff from Ofra, I can order it from their website. $15 international shipping, but you can use codes from influencers. As Steph Toms herself, she has a code. It worked even on her highlighter, so that was amazing. And I did not pay taxes at all, like not even £1. And I don't know how that's possible, because it came from the USA. So just a side note, I paid not even a pound for custom fees. I only paid the transport, but obviously that narrowed down the price with the code. So yeah, I mean, hallelujah. Let's start with the highlighter that I'm talking about today. I have high expectations though. I'm gonna be straightforward with that. I have really high expectations. I also met Steph Toms in real life, and seriously, when I went, it was at Kiko in Covent Garden. I bought myself a highlighter as a memory, so it says a lot that I associate her very much with highlighter. That's one thing I also love, highlighter. But yeah, also I want to mention quickly, I did get the Ride or Die collection as well, and I did review it, so if you wanna stick around to see that guy as well reviewed, stay tuned to my channel. But yeah, without further ado, let's talk about the actual highlighter from today. So this is the collab with Steph Toms. Alright, this is so cute. I mean, I only tried one highlighter from Ofra, and that's because of Steph Toms, because she really recommended a Rodeo Drive. And for some reason I was like, I'm gonna get the mini. She said herself, like, get the mini, try it out. And I still have plenty from that mini. It's a really nice formula. It's definitely powder to cream formula, as she describes herself. Her highlighter, usually Ofra highlighters are like this from what I heard, but I tried Rodeo Drive and it's sick. It looks really nice on my skin as well. So if it's gonna be the same formula, I don't see why I would be mad at this guy. It's just one thing that I'm scared is if it's gonna shear out to a point where it's gonna look good on my skin. So let's test that out, because I am as excited as probably you are. I mean, milk is gonna look good on me, I'm sure of that, but I'm not quite sure about cookies, and I wanna combine both of them as well. So I definitely don't think cookies is gonna work out for me, so I'm gonna combine both of them and then put milk as well. So let's start with milk. Also, I'm very sorry, it might seem here a bit patchy, which it is, but you can find out in the Ride or Die collection why it's patchy, so yeah. Oh my god, so literally, oh, let's take this guy off. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, this smells like cookie dough, but it doesn't smell when you open the pan, which I'm a bit sad about it. I thought it's gonna be a bit more like strong, but they really were saying like it's not strong at all, and and it's actually not. Like, you have to put your nose in it to smell the cookie dough scent. But yeah, oh my god. Are we even ready? Okay. Nice. It's definitely like Rodeo Drive. Ooh, it doesn't have the cast. I tend to have this as well when it comes, because I'm olive undertone. And sometimes with icy highlighters, like this kind of light highlighters, when I turn my face straight, it looks a bit ashy, as she was trying to describe that she was very like specific to not have that happening. And it doesn't do that. That's amazing, because I do prefer more goldeny kind of highlighters because of that reasoning, that the lighter whitey ones tend to have a really nice weird cast on me because of my undertone. Okay, this looks stunning. Like, it's definitely, I don't know, it's a very interesting undertone. Like, it's very light, it's not golden, but it doesn't pick up ashy on my skin, because I feel it has to a certain extent a goldenish undertone. Yes, sick. I really love that. Although I put like a chunk. Listen, when I'm testing stuff out, sometimes it doesn't turn out as a look I will go out with. But now I'm swirling my brush to see what's gonna happen, really. So I'm very scared of this part. We're not on good terms. It's too dark for me. I do look a bit like, I don't look as pale, but I am pale. It's just I have an olive undertone, but I am pale. So I need my big mirror. I'm a bit disappointed about that, not gonna lie. Cause I don't like when I have highlighters like this, where you have two highlighters but only one works for you. I know it's a split pan, but seriously, I would have preferred like single ones. Like, I love Steph Toms, like I do, but I'm gonna keep it real. Obviously, my experience with the highlighter, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like it doesn't have a cast on me. You can definitely see it has a cast on me, because it does have a cast on me. I mean, I don't know what to say else. Yeah, I don't like this situation. I wished I could say like, go grab this highlighter, but I think from what I've seen on Steph Tom's Instagram stories, they might think about doing something more, Ofra and her. Like, she was saying, if there was another product they would launch together, what would it be? And people were saying split, like just milk in a pot and cookies in another pot. And if they're gonna do that, don't even bother buying this, because combining them two, it doesn't work out for fair skin tones. And it's sad, because taking off the undertone of my skin and the fact that it's light, it's a beautiful highlighter. Like, it's stunning. It's very kind of like not ashy, it's very like neutral, and I really love that. I don't have something like this into my collection, but it just has a cast on me. It does, and I don't like that. And while cookies, it's nice, but I wished I would only have a pan of that instead of one other highlighter that I can't even combine with this guy. Oh my god, this smells so nice. Like, no, the formula, it's stunning, okay? Don't get me wrong. I love the formula. I know I would. I already tried a highlighter from Ofra. I wasn't having other expectations than being a really good formula. It does melt into your skin, it looks stunning. However, I can't just sit here and pretend that I like it. I like it, but I don't appreciate the fact that it wasn't made also with the option of having milk and cookies on their own. I mean, if it's going to be summertime, I think it's gonna work out, and if I'm gonna get a tan. However, for example, last year that did not happen. I hope this year might happen, but if that's, you know, unlikely to happen to you as well, it's just a bit sad to have a split pan with another side which can't be touched because you're too light, even combined. So yeah, I recommend it for fair skin tones for only the milk part, but the cookies, it doesn't work out as I wished combined. I wasn't expecting cookies to be good for my skin tone. It looks quite dark, but I was 100% sure that it's gonna work out with my oh wait, one way maybe to get around it is put milk and then cookies on top, fairly, like just a tiny bit, because yeah, okay, we are getting back on the track of being positive. If you do that, it seems like it's much easier to kind of like make sure you don't go overboard with the cookie side. I don't recommend by any means combining them two, but it seems now, yeah, I think this is the only way to make them both work. Put milk first and then slightly gently tap the cookie side after you apply the milk side onto your cheek, and then get cookie and tap on top, because otherwise you might end up with a cast on your face. I'm glad I did think this through on the moment, because it definitely does give the same undertone on this side if you do this, but it's much easier to kind of like you know, not make it look this, which is not cute to have a cast on your face. It's a nice highlighter, but I think they should come out with just singles. I think that would be much nicer. But yeah, one way is put milk always if you're fair skin toned, and then add cookies on top. Never combine, never use cookies on its own. So yeah, I mean, that is pretty much it, because otherwise I'm gonna start repeating myself. I'm very happy for Steph for having this collab. I really hope if she's ever gonna watch this clip that she's not gonna take things like in the wrong way, because obviously I wasn't as happy as others been online. So yeah, I don't want people to think that I'm trying to bash the product just to get out like in a attention seeking kind of way, because I don't. I love her, and yeah, I mean, I don't feel very comfortable saying these things, but this is the truth. Like, it doesn't work out combined for fair skin tones. Cookie doesn't work out for fair skin tones, which it was something that I was expecting it, but combined they only work if you apply milk as a base and then cookies as a topper. And that is that. But yeah, I really do hope you see the good intentions behind this clip of me trying to love this highlighter to its fullest. I love the formula, understand that. The formula is sickening. It does remind me of Rodeo Drive, which I was expecting. And yeah, I mean, it's a really lovely highlighter. If you think you're medium skin tone, then it's gonna work out swirling in the two of them, or you might enjoy the idea of putting milk as a base and then cookies as a topper, then definitely grab it. But other than that, if you don't like this idea, then yeah, I would say maybe try to look for something else that it's only one pan, because I mean, they might get it out since she said some stuff in the stories, you know. She might do it because she had a really big success with it. She sold out on both of the websites, Beauty Bay and Ofra Cosmetics, which is amazing. Like, congrats! Like, literally, it's amazing news, and I think it's incredible because I do follow her since she was like a smaller content creator, and it's really lovely to see her growing even more than this and actually having a collab with an amazing brand, because I think Ofra is good. I mean, I don't have anything else to say. That is pretty much it from me for today. This video is a mess. I hope editing is not gonna be as messy as it feels now, but I really hope by any means this video was useful and relevant to you and you find it helpful. But yeah, I do makeup bits, so maybe subscribe if you enjoy them, and hopefully I'll see you within the next video recommended. But yeah, bye.